What do you think? What do you think about what's going on here?
I think we're gonna have a hell of a trip, dude. I can't wait.
Yeah?
Stoked.
Here's a rare bird. 35 Magnum, my friend Todd just picked up. Bridge is gonna come off. It's still gonna be a hard top, but the fly bridge is gonna come off. It's got 568 inch custom built big blocks, Chevys. They made 634 at 3,000 RPM. Definitely got some choppy cams in them. It's been sitting for 5 years, so what we just did was evacuated as much fuel as we could out of it. We're gonna go get some good premium gas and fill up the tanks. Previous owner added bow and stern thrusters. Nice and glassed in. All right, we got the water hooked up for the motors.
You saved my well.
Here, eh? I might as well crank the lattes, oh no? Anybody need a beer?
Dude, Toddfather's making a gasket on the fly.
Toddfather's on the move, dude.
He's on the move.
Huh?
Everything's good down there?
Huh? Yeah, everything's good. We're just getting a little strainer leak fixed up. Toddfather's on the case already. That's gonna work.
Dude, Mikhails Meats and Motors.
On the rescue.
Their speaker.
No, keep it on the boat for now.
The surgeon at work.
Got it on backwards.
I don't know when it's gonna work.
Got it on backwards.
That's all I have.
Cut your water out.
What do you think, Toddfather? Money? Money.
Close her down, bud.
We ended up getting a hotel room for the night.
Yes.
You are amazing, dude. Thank you.
We're leaving at first light.
Alex.
How's that view?
Look at there's
Funny.
Dude, this place was great. If you're in the area, go to the queue. Listen to that. What's going on?
Hey. Just out here on a big rig.
Got these big blocks fired up. Toddfather's fired up.
Is that the side we came in?
Rig ride's pretty nice for some big water, bud.
I think Mom would take a ride on this one. Not here, but yeah. They painted all those buildings. They weren't like that last time I was down here fishing. They got all the stone done on that house on the bottom. That was nice.
She's home.
Got the thrusters on?